Kingmixup, when you post this here, if you bad mind people then, the haters them, see? The Vybz Kartel have a whole heap of house, whole heap of car, whole heap of money, lots. And that really burn the bad mind them. And that sweet me oh fuck. Cause guess what? I'm unstoppable motherfuckers.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forwarding from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself for telling no I go on for that to go on. You see me, so as you can see, Dancehall King Vybz Kartel has responded to Foota hype again. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, and it's not a good look because today he was more direct with who he was talking about. You see, man, I say, you know, there's only a few pocket watchers out here, but Foota hype seems to be, you know, the number one at that. You see, man, I say, and it's really not a good look. You see, man, I say, so let's hear what I'm have to say about the whole ordeal, and then we'll proceed at the end. You see me?
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Vybz Kartel. Don't know me there, I chill around one of my house, you know? But you already know that, cause you know, a whole heap of people out there watch me house them for me, you see me? And I count them. So I already know, say enough. Yeah, I'm just there, chill out. You know, me and me youth, them did a whole of vibes. Don't know, it's a real man, the youth, them have to love you. What's if a boy pick me? You know what I mean? Yeah, them have to proud of you. Look on them father and say, yeah man, I'm proud of my father. He's a real general. You know? It's not a deadbeat or a waste boy, you see me? Yeah, that. So, yeah, me that chop it up with the kids, them, you know? Yeah, man. I'm going with the vibes with Sky Brother right now. Lennymatic.
Don't fuck up.
Yeah, that. Yeah, man. So, things said. So, things said when you work hard, you know? So, things said when you work hard instead of watch people things. You get, you know what I mean? Yeah. You get to live this lifestyle. Yeah. So you don't become bitter. And I watch man things so much that say, for God say you have picked me with 8 you. And baby mother with 8 you. You know what I mean? The baby mother them for love you. You understand? All if you and them not there. All if them are pray and them jealous over you. Them for love you and say, you know, one thing with it. Yeah, it's a good baby father. Alright, Lennymatic?
Just talking.
You were just talking to exactly. You just a reason with the kids.
With all mother.
Yeah, we could all our baby mother there. You know, as a real general. You see what I say? That as a waste boy or a little sissy bitch.
Never that.
We get up and watch people things. You know what I mean?
Never that.
Yeah, you know.
Go-getters.
Yeah, we go-getters. So we clean every day. You know what I mean? Yeah. Beautiful life. Life is amazing. Yeah, my life is amazing. God is the greatest. One thing they ever say with God, don't let him say God help those who are.
Help him fuck himself.
I'm out.
Like I said, he didn't call no names, but everybody know what going for that to go on. So you see, he liked my post that we said, you know, him this up the pocket watch of Foota hype. And you know, same fan page, Shamar. You know, say ISHAWNA, the reason why Foota hype upset. You see, I say, but when I remember, say Foota hype have more than one baby mother and more than one pitney out there. So, and a few of them came out public saying he ain't done ish for them, you see me?
Well, him not down here, give no trouble. Him not hang out on roadside, him go church when him can. Him do real extremely well in a college. And you have a son. You have a son, and the son a do good Foota, thinking that yourself come out of Kartel and come out of Shanson life. And Lisa Swipe and the whole of them people here. Put them aside and put your youth them in front of you and looking at yourself and say, no, some youth them can reach somewhere. Let me do what I have to do as a man. No, you sit down and you watch and you archive and blood clot the whole of dancehall. You blood clot dancehall archive. You must bumble clot dancehall archive. You sit down and watch every artist where them are doing, where them are buying, how them are spend their money. How you are spend your money, where Foota. Come on.
To work with Dancehall Records, which is a very prominent company, and he's getting paid millions of dollars each year. And you get your money, but you pay down on a house instead of go buy a next car. You understand? Foota, on the other hand, he went behind my back and he decided to buy a BMW for the sake of the hype and the sake of looking good in front of dancehall when enough days
Every day, Cartel get up saying buy our next house. And the wicked fans them celebrate it. Now we can't see Sean Stan put up a house. Sean
What a thingy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But let's give you a quick update while going for the squad. Don't forget to check out these next suggested videos and it's up on the screen. And subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. In the meantime, you see me? Bless.